Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to this crypto news once again already. So I'm really excited to actually bring out all the news and the fundamentals part of the video. And sometimes it's really good to check in and out of what people are thinking, what the world is thinking, and other influencers who are popular out there. We're going to talk about celebrities and their comments about cryptocurrency and the dipping in the market and whatnot and what's about to go on. So basically, if you're not in my Discord, once again, do join the Discord. The link is in the description of the video. And by that one, we're going to get started with the first news. So there's this article that I just want to tell you, and it's a basic article here. So how a long-term mindset gives you a crypto edge. Okay, so this is something that I want to talk about. And the case for long-term crypto investing, the goal of any investor is to create additional wealth over and above the capital invested, right? That is something everyone agrees on, but the methods used to attain the goal vary widely across the spectrum of investors. We do not believe there is a path to getting rich quickly. Rather, we focus on buying high quality assets that distribute cash over time, which we believe is the best way to compound wealth over time. Trying to get rich quickly means excessive risk must be taken, and that by definition means that investor is statistically likely to see poor returns. So basically, hurry has no blessing. There's this proverb I heard in my childhood. My teacher used to tell me, hurry has no blessing. Not the teacher, basically the books used to actually have this information. In cryptocurrency, I don't know why so many people actually lose the that old style belief that when you invest in something, you still have to think in a long. You must have a long vision. Okay, the bird's view that I talk about, right? So it is a very long kind of article, but this is something that I wanted to start with a refresher out there. And in the world of cryptos, most coins have not been around anywhere near 10 years, but Bitcoin has. In the past 9 years, for instance, total return to someone that bought near the end of 2013 or over 15,000%. That is also after the coin has lost more than half its value since its 2021 peak. Right? So even if you invested in 2013, you still have 15,000% gains, guys. Are you really kidding me? If you invested like $100, you have like $1 million right now, maybe $1.5 million. That's what it means right now. So basically, final thoughts is that while cryptocurrency investing and dividend stock investing are quite different, we can apply some of the same principles to both. We favor dividend stocks with long histories of raising their dividends, and that we believe we still be here for years from now doing the same thing. So you say cryptocurrency, they're actually quite new, okay, very new and young, and maybe they've proven themselves that they're gonna stay. And once they stay in the market, you can actually expect a little bit of some nice good returns in the long term, but you still have to do some research on which coins are good. Maybe one of them is Bitcoin itself. So let's go to the second news, and we're going to talk about Cardano grapples at 0.524 bullish trajectory coming. So in this article, they're saying that support has been kept at $0.5 and the bulls are trying to get the prices to skyrocket. And by the way, if you want to watch Cardano, I do have a video today where I said maybe it's also preparing for a breakout. So this is the reason why I'm doing fundamentals, because fundamentals and technical analysis, when you match both of them, can actually give you way more better confidence in taking a position while trading an asset. So I did even have a video today. It's just it's quite a magic, that we're having the news here, and the technical part of it also suggests that something is coming for Cardano as well, right? So they do have the whole information. You can watch that Cardano video just up here, and I'm gonna leave it right there. Okay, so it's nothing. All they need to say is that support at 0.5 and bulls try to up market prices. Support has been kept at 0.5 and the bulls are trying to get the prices to skyrocket. Meanwhile, the bears are not too type to throw into the towels. They are currently selling at the steep prices. So it's a bull versus bear fight. With these price movements, the market is perceived to see more volatility, especially since the bears and bulls are trying to outpace and outperform each other. Everyone should keep an eye on the critical level set at 0.5, where in a break right below that trajectory will see prices plunging as low as $0.5 level. However, once it breaks that above, then you're going to look for 0.628. Price will go as much as 0.7. So whatever the price is right now, you really have to break what? You're going to have to break 0.628. And let's see if that happens. It's way more better explained in the video today. Now let's move on to the next piece of news right now. And this one comes from the Crypto Basic. The major milestone 50 billion Shiba Inu burned since burn portal launch in less than a month. Okay, so there was a burning portal, and if you guys don't know about burning and what burning really is, you can see that basically when you burn some coin, the supply gets a little bit less, and when the supply gets less, when there's a supply what the hell, why am I stuttering? When there's less supply of a coin, the demand rises, thus the prices actually move to the upside. Do you get my point here? If you don't get it, just rewind what I just said. Okay, and finally, the dream of 50 billion Shiba Inu came true. SHIB burn portal achieves a major milestone of burning 50 billion SHIB tokens in less than a month, which is actually really good for the long term. Okay, this one actually makes SHIB a good contender to recover in the next coming few days or months, whatever, in the long term or in the midterm. Within 6 months, maybe could actually have an effect on the prices to go to the upside. All right, so the next news is going to be the 3 best coins in DeFi crypto to buy on any dips. Now, disclaimer, this is gonna be your own research. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this news, and we're gonna talk about what this person has to say, the author, and this comes from the website called Investor Place. Okay, so picking up some decentralized finance DeFi crypto is not a bad idea, as the technology could go mainstream. And first of all is Ethereum. Now, I don't actually will disagree with Ethereum. Ethereum is a good coin. I know it doesn't really give you that much of a profit back, but nonetheless it's still a good coin. Okay, so I do actually believe Ethereum is good. The second coin is gonna be Avalanche, which is gonna be AVAX. Okay, and the third one is Uniswap. So Uniswap is a good project, basically. Avalanche, good project. So 3 of them could be good, but still, once again, this is going to be your own financial research. So the next time you're going to see the dips, this will be some good coins to actually bag in, and who knows, it could be an amazing investing opportunity. So the prices is, Uniswap is at $5, AVAX is at $28. All of them are really discounted like 80% to the downside already, except for Ethereum, which is almost 50% from its all-time high. All right, so the next piece of news right now we're going to talk about is Crypto Weekly, which comes from this website, Crypto Daily, and Crypto Weekly Roundup CEOs. There's a lot of information in this one, article right here. Someone he updated about Bitcoin that FTX CEO has said that Bitcoin could not become a payments network, but had a potential to be store of value. What does that even mean? You see, Bitcoin he says that it's payment network, but he says it couldn't be a nice good payment network, but a store of value. Store of value. It has some value to it that it can store. You can store something for Bitcoin, really. But it's not a good payment network. I don't really agree with that, by the way. The president of the ECB, Christine Lagarde, I don't know if it's Lagarde, whatever, said that crypto is worth nothing and should be regulated to steer people away from it. Instead, she touts a digital euro as a safer store of value. Oh, Christine! Come on, Christine, you're disappointing me. MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor remains just as convinced about Bitcoin as always, calling it the future of money and that it will eventually be valued in the millions. Former Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke said that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies were speculative, volatile, and were mostly used for underground economy activities. Okay, good. Ethereum, with the initial series of Web3 experiments ending, Cloudflare, just a second, I just clicked the wrong link. Okay, Cloudflare is looking into solving the environmental and scaling challenges that plague modern blockchain technology. The release of whatever this is, I don't really get it. DeFi, a legal case involving the crypto platform. Guys, the main thing that I want to talk about in this update is this one down here. So NFT, crypto influencer Snoop Dogg believes that the world of non-fungible tokens is on the path of divergence, and that NFTs will soon emerge as a new kind of digital canvas for genuine artists. Okay, so a lot of celebrities out there, they're really into NFTs and stuff like that because they get a lot of profit from the NFTs. And the final piece of news is going to be the Bitcoin, Ether, Cardano, Solana bull rally in second half of 2022 is unquestionable. says a crypto executive. Now this one comes from Crypto, the website, if you want to read about the news itself. So what I'm going to try to do is, leave the link in the description for all of this information if you want to read in a detailed manner. Okay, so crypto will recover in the second half of the year. So second half starts from June basically, and June is actually like 8 days away. So Jake McDonald, the CEO of Polysign, okay, told CNBC that he thinks that the worst could be behind the crypto markets and investors can expect a strong recovery in the coming months. He noted that the falling prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and other cryptocurrencies are because they are seen as risk-on, risk-off assets with an increasing correlation with the broader markets. The crypto markets suffered a massive sell-off, with Bitcoin falling to $28,000 with billions of dollars liquidated. The decline in prices were, exacerbated by Terra USD depegging from the US dollar and the subsequent death of Luna. So McDonald added that narrative that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are a hedge against inflation is changing. He cited the increasing correlation between crypto markets and the stock market, fueled largely by the war in crypto. I do still believe longer term that you will see a disconnect from some of the other market trends, but of late it is undeniable that there has been a very strong correlation. So to him, according to this article, there is a lot of praises, and even at the end they're saying that Aave recently released Lens Protocol, a Web3 social media platform. Lens Protocol, can we just Google that one really quickly, because it's a Web3 platform. So let's see, Lens Protocol. Alright, so Lens Dev, which is a social media for what? Designed to give users total control over their profile using NFTs technology after its founder was suspended from Twitter. Developer Garden, I don't really know what this is, but I'm just gonna look into it, maybe come up with a future update. So that's it, I'm gonna wrap up this video. So if you like and enjoyed the video, do tell me, okay? So make sure that you follow this channel, I guess, and join the Discord also. That would be actually kind of cute, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.